Welcome back, everyone. Tonight we're going to be installing the Hydromat. It's a fuel filter. It's going to go right on my 525 Hellcat Walboro pump, and that should prevent all the fuel cuts that I'm having. I'm having fuel cuts. Yes, it could be if you didn't cut the pump at the top. Any pump you get, Hellcat, AMS, if you don't cut it and it's not perfect or where it needs to be, you're gonna have fuel cuts that way, or if you cut an O-ring. But that's not the case, so we're gonna jump straight to it. Now, before you start, I recommend taking off the negative side of the battery before starting. All right, guys, I'm not gonna show how to take out the seat. Just lift it up, and how to get to the pump. I made a separate video. If you want to watch that video, click the link that I'm gonna put in the description. But we're just gonna get to the pump and just put the Hydromat on. Also, just letting you guys see how my pump looks before I get to it. That's with the relay kit. All right, guys, we're gonna be installing the Hydromat, the 125, and we got the pump out. Picked up a little Dremel to get the job done, and all you're gonna do is you're just gonna, I think it's over here, but yeah. Yeah, that's right. Whoa, that's right. That's what we're doing. Unscrewing the pins. Oh, that's a good point. The pin has drooped. All right, guys, you don't have to disassemble your whole pump. All you're gonna do is you're gonna undo this wire to undisconnect the. You're just gonna take the pump right out, and you're gonna undo this one. That's all you're gonna do. You don't have to mess with anything else. And we already got some dirt, guys. Dang, guys. That's my reaction too, guys. All right, guys, if you have your own custom bracket or the Z1 or AMS, you're gonna take this off, put the Hydromat on there, and kind of just sandwich it together. Just like so. So if you look at your top hat, that nipple is gonna be basically to the back. So you're gonna make it face this way. Use the marker. It's kind of weird. But all you're gonna do is you're gonna draw on it, try to kind of measure it with this. So what I did was I kind of applied the filter to this, and this is the size I got. So now I'm gonna be cutting with the Dremel across. So now I'll show you guys the next step. I'm literally cutting in the street because I don't want to wake anybody up, and I'm near a road. But anyways, yeah, we're trying to knock this out as fast as we can. Don't want to be out here too long. All right, guys, this is what mine looks like. I'm about to test fit it and see if it works, if it fits. After I cut it out, I sanded it down. I put in water to get all that, extra stuff off. Now it looks like this, and now we're just gonna assemble the pump. You should be good to go. As we secured the filter onto the pump, it was kind of tricky. I don't know if you guys will have the same issue, but all I did was I used something to kind of hold it back there and kind of just line it up and just press against as hard as I can. Now that I see it, it's moving with the pump. It's on there. It's pretty snug and tight, and this is what it looks like so far. I covered it up so it doesn't get dirty. Also, I ended up not putting my bracket back on. Again, the bottom of the pump, the filter, and the pump, it's gonna act like a bracket. It's not gonna go anywhere. You don't need that bottom piece. I just kind of left that piece on there. I don't even know why, just because. But yeah, I did not put a bracket on, and it should be fine. All right, guys, after assembling, this is what it should look like. Now we're ready to drop it back into the tank. Sick. The way we cut it, it's gonna be basically facing that way back. So when you step on it, the fuel is gonna go back that way, but this will be dropped in there. We're gonna connect the battery and see what it does. One other thing, if this doesn't fix your fuel cuts, because this is like really crucial to fix it, do replace your small O-ring, and also maybe replacing the blue ring before the tank. And I'll leave also a picture. Holy crap. Holy.